What's the meaning of brig? Brig. Brig.
Brig. Brig. Brig is a noun that refers to a group of soldiers or prison inmates under a single command, or the place where such a group is housed. It can also be used as a verb to mean to confine someone in a brig or to punish them by placing them in confinement. Brig is typically associated with naval vessels, where it refers to a jail or detention area for sailors who have broken rules or committed crimes on board. Overall, brig is a term used to describe a confined space meant for disciplinary action or punishment within a military or prison context.